study about the food component protein. Dear student, protein is very essential for our body and it is called as the building block of a cells, we can say. So you know that our body is made up of a cell, and building block of the cell means it helps to create the new cells. It helps to produce the new cells. Is it right? And it's very important for all the children because their body will be growing. So they, and even all the living organism, it is very necessary because it helps to build our body very healthily. Is it right? So what it is? Protein is a building block of our cell, we can say, and also it is very essential for the growth and for the muscles building. You know that to build our muscles and for making the new cells and for the repair the damaged part of our body, it helps to recover it. Understanding? So it is very essential for what? It is very essential for growth and to prepare, otherwise to build muscle cells of our body and also for the repairing of our damaged part of our body. Is it right? Very essential, we can say. So only we have given name for the proteins are the building blocks of the cells. Is it right? So proteins we have called as what? Building blocks. And which all the food items are containing the proteins? So we can give a various example for that. So you take in plants, you can take the soybeans, pulses, peas, and some of the again leaves of the plant which we will eat, those also containing the proteins. And if you take them in animal products, so we can see all the milk product, and egg you can take, fish, flesh of the various animals. So those all will be containing what? Proteins. And those proteins helps to growth of our body. Is it right? And what? So which are the food items I have said you? So soybean, peas, and the pulses. Some of the pulses, all the pulses are very rich content of the protein, we can say. So we should eat pulses regularly. And also milk products, milk and its products. Which are the milk and its products? You can take a milk, curd, ghee, butter, buttermilk, again various ghee and various cheese, paneer. All those are the what milk products. Those all will be containing the proteins. So we should take daily. We should intake the milk and its products. And also fishes, they are also rich product of protein, and even the flesh of the animals. So eggs are the very rich in the protein, we can say. So those are also helps to grow our body. Is it right? So whenever you will fall ill, so doctor will advise to eat the egg regularly because it helps to recover from the illness. Is it right? And also sometimes major injuries, otherwise accidents will takes place. That time also doctor suggests us to eat the egg, otherwise the protein content products, because so there is a necessary to build new cells. Is it right? So who will help? Protein products helps to produce new cells in our body. Is it right? So what will be advised? It will be advised to intake the protein products, food items. Understanding? So it's about protein. So now how to recognize which food item is containing proteins? So again there is a test. So what that test, let us see now. So we should take a food sample. So not a solid food sample should take. If it is a solid, what we should do? We should make it smaller pieces. Like we can crush it. We can make a powder. Otherwise we can make a paste of it. And next we should add water for it. And after adding water, what we should do? We should take a copper sulfate solution. 2 to 4 drops of copper sulfate solution we should add for that. And next 4 to 8 drops of caustic soda solution we should add. And all what we should do? We should mix. And after some time you can observe the change in the color of the solution. So how we can, which color we can observe? So it turns to violet color. It turns to violet color. If it turns to violet color, so what we can recognize? That food item will be containing the protein. Is it right? It is a test for the protein. So what is the test? One more time I will repeat. See, you should take a food sample and that you should make a thin paste or the powder. Afterwards we should add water for that, and next we should take a 2 to 4 drops of copper sulfate solution and 4 to 8 drops of caustic soda we should use. And what we should do? We should mix it. That all solution we should mix. And after mixing, what we can observe? There is a change in the color. So that solution turns into the violet color. So by that what you can understand? That food item will be containing protein. Okay, so this is about what? A test for the proteins. I hope you all understood today's topic. It is about the protein Okay, so which are the so some example for the protein contains food items we have studied. Is it right? And test for the protein we have studied. Understanding? So list the food items which are containing the food items and click the photo and send it to my WhatsApp number. So and read the lesson. If you have any, if you will find any difficult words, mark it and try to learn the spellings, even the pronunciation. Understanding? Read the lesson completely. If you have any difficulty, let me know. Thank you.